Hey guys, today I'm going to be reacting to EAS alarms. They're like the alarms that you hear on your phones. Yeah, today I'm just going to be reacting to them and see how much I like them, see how much I hate them, and stuff like that. Let's try the German one first. I heard the German one was funny, but I've never actually heard it before. So I want to try this out. Yeah, it was wrong. It sounds like a cringy radio song. That was just wrong. Yeah. Yeah, enough of that. That's funny. I wonder if they have a remix. Oh, they do have a remix. Let's listen to the remix. Let's react to that. That's sort of off topic, but yeah, you can hear it. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. That's amazing. I love that. I absolutely love that. I love that. That is so good. That is so good. I love that. Yeah, that's so good. Let's try another one. Let's see. Let's see. Let's try the Czech one. Right away, I could tell they copied us. They just made it higher pitched. I do not like it. I do not like it. Ooh, let's try the Ukraine EAS alarm. Let's see. That's cool, I guess, you know. That sounds very, very like something that you would hear in like a nuclear meltdown movie. You know, it's really funny. Ukraine is where the Chernobyl meltdown happened. If you don't know what that is, that's a crazy meltdown. You can look it up anywhere. Everything will come up about it. But that's pretty cool. I really like that one. I really, really like that one. Let's try the Bulgaria one. I can tell right away. It's sort of creepy. It's sort of high pitched. I don't know what to say about that one. I'm not 100%. Comment down below which one you like best. Let's try the Brazil one. I sort of like it. Not the best, but I sort of like it a bit. Like, I mean, not 10 out of 10 for, definitely not 10 out of 10. Let's try the Hindi ES alarm. Let's see. Let's see what this one gives us. Yeah, no. Do not. This is torture. This is torture. Yeah, do not listen to that. Let's see what else they have. Let's try the Greek one. Let's see how the Greek one is. Overkill. You know Roblox? When you launch the rockets off in Roblox, and this noise comes on right before you're about to launch. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's exactly what this sounds like. It's a bit of an overkill, very crazy one. But yeah, it's the Greek EAS alarm. Let's see. Let's try. I'm gonna think of a random country. Spain. EAS alarm. Yeah, this one's perfect. If I heard this on my phone, I would remain calm and get 2 shots right away. I'm personally not reacting as crazy as I was to other ones because I personally like this one a lot. I think it's a good enough one, yeah. I mean, that would be perfect if we had it on our phones everywhere around the world. That would be the perfect one. Let's try. I'm gonna think of another random country. Let's think. Ooh, Puerto Rico. Yeah, that one's pretty simple. Very, very simple one. It's sort of weird. But, yeah. Bye-bye. Click the subscribe button. No. No! Click it. Click it. Please click it.